Oh, hey, I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you are trading and you are not profitable, or you are losing money, burning capital, feel like you're throwing your head up against a wall, and you're just making no progress, or you're brand new in trading, or just starting to look into it and you're not sure if you can do it, or if you should do it, or if it's possible, I want to tell you, it's possible. And to keep going, if you can take a professional approach, and what I mean by that is showing up like a professional would to a job with a plan and proper, healthy risk management, it can be done. I have proven this, that it can be done, but absolutely no, it is a skill, not just a form of knowledge. There's been quotes out there by famous traders, and I've forgotten their names, that they could take the best strategy known to man that they have and give it to the public, and they still wouldn't be able to do it. There's a skill in trading. It's like going to school for business for 5 years. You have to get in the field and do it. You can get A's on the business course, but you gotta go do it, and to prove that you can actually run a business, or learn to be a carpenter for 4 years in school. You gotta eventually get to the tools and start actually doing some carpentry. So I just think, yeah, again, there's a lot of information on trading, and I just think if you're shooting from the hip and you're not trading off of a proven, back-tested edge, you're navigating muddy waters. You're like in the wide open ocean, just kind of essentially drowning out there. I don't know if that made any sense, but if you're not profitable or losing money, or you're new, go to the charts, and even YouTube. There's so much good information on YouTube. There's also a lot of crap, but go find someone teaching a simple strategy and go back test it. And if it's too complicated, if you're like, no, there's too many steps, take away some of the steps. Honestly, go test a break and retest strategy. Like, no joke. Draw some lines on highs and lows. Pick the 5-minute chart. Not too long, not too short. Or 1 minute, doesn't matter. And go test. When price breaks out, which let's say we want price to close outside of it, and let's say we want price to pull back and touch or almost touch the level. And maybe it has to close green, let's say, if we're gonna bet long. And just back test. What would happen if I took that signal every single time between my trading window I can trade, and I put the stop underneath the recent low, and I target a 1-to-1? Go test what that would be. I bet you it's either break even or 60% win rate 1R. Somewhere between there. Honestly, from my back testing, it depends on the market season, if you will. Like, if it's sometimes it'll be 50% win rate, or heck, even 45, and it's losing money. And then other times it'll be 65 to 70% win rate if it's just the market's moving well. But the average over multiple months, I bet you would make a little bit of money doing that. And do that. That's all I got. See you later.